to use masks in Figma. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to use masks in Figma. If you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. The first thing you need to do is to log on to your Figma account, just like I've done here. And once you've logged in, this is the interface that will be displayed on your screen, where at the top left corner you have the main menu, then you have the move tools icon, you have the region tools icon, you have the shape tools icon, you have the creation tools icon, you have the text icon, the resources icon, and tools, and the hard section icon. So at the top left right corner you have the profile icon, you have the share icon. You can use share icon to share your beautiful and creative designs to your clients, your loved ones, and your friends. Then you also have the prototype view icon also. So at the center, the upper part of the screen, is where we have the edit object icon, we have the create component icon, then we have the use a mask icon. So basically Figma is just about creating designs, making beautiful designs. Here on Figma you see a lot of tools that you can use. At the right side of your screen you see design section, and there are various tools that you can use here, and you also see the layer section. Also you see the fill section too, you see strokes, effect, and export. So these are various tools that you can use. You can check the main menu at the top left corner to see various options that would help you bring out a good and beautiful design. Now, to use masks in Figma, all you need to do is to go to the center, the upper part of the icons that are the middle of the upper part of your screen, the three icons, that's the edit object icon, the create component icon, then the use as a mask icon. Now you're going to click on the use as a mask icon, since that is what you want to do, and once you've clicked on it, it has automatically been activated. So this is basically how to do it. This is basically how to use as a mask. You can see that as you keep clicking on it, it's changing. And you take a look at the lower part of your the right side rather of your screen. After design you see masks, and under masks you see alpha. There are other options there. You can click on the arrow that is beside alpha. Once you click on it, you see options like alpha, use transparency, vector, use shape outline, luminance, use brightness. So any of these options are available, so you choose any of them that fits you, that suits your desire. If you want to use vector, you choose vector as your mask. If you want to use luminance, you choose luminance as your mask. If you want to use alpha, you choose alpha as your mask. Remember, you log on to your Figma account, then you click on the use as mask icon, then you move to the right side of the screen where you see masks, then you click on the arrow to make the right choice. If you want to use alpha, you click on it. If you want to use vector, you click on it. Then if you want to use luminance, you click on it. So this is simply how to use masks in Figma. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.